If you're looking to segment your audience in Mailchimp and want to know how to make your emails more targeted and effective, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to segment your audience in Mailchimp for better results, and how to unlock a completely free trial of the software through the link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses. Segmentation is one of the most powerful features in Mailchimp. It allows you to divide your contacts into different groups based on certain criteria like interest, location, or purchase history. This way, you can send more relevant emails that resonate with your audience. But how exactly do you do that? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to create a list. You can't segment without a list, so ensure you've got your contacts imported into Mailchimp. From there, you can create segments based on different conditions. Next thing, let's talk about creating a segment. You'll find this option under your Audience tab. Click on Create a Segment, and Mailchimp gives you several criteria to work with. You can segment by tags, location, or even past behavior like email opens or clicks. Let's say you want to target people who have purchased a product in the last 30 days. That's one way to use segmentation to make sure you're sending your best offers to the right people. The third thing, if you're looking for more advanced segmentation, you can use Mailchimp's automation triggers. For example, you can set up an automation that will send emails to people who haven't interacted with your emails in a while or who abandoned their shopping carts. These automations ensure that your messaging is timely and relevant, which is key to keeping your audience engaged. Now, let's talk about saved segments. Once you've created a segment, you can save it for future use. That way, you don't have to recreate it every time you want to send out a new campaign. Just select the saved segment, and you're good to go. This is a real time saver for busy marketers. The fifth thing, don't forget about conditional segments. With this feature, you can create segments based on multiple conditions at once. Let's say you want to target customers who have made a purchase in the last 30 days and live in a specific city. This type of advanced segmentation ensures your messages are hyper-targeted, driving better engagement. As a final tip, always keep track of your results. After you send a campaign to a segmented audience, take a look at your open rates and click rates. This helps you refine your segments even further for better targeting in the future. And there you have it, a quick rundown of how to segment your audience in Mailchimp. Remember, the more specific you get with your segments, the better your email campaigns will perform. Plus, I've got something special for you. If you're interested in trying out Mailchimp, there's a free trial link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses just for you. By the way, this free trial will give you access to features like advanced segmentation and automation, which will help you take your email marketing to the next level. So check out the link below for that extended free trial.